I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com with the stock market weather report for BlackBerry Limited, February 5th, 2021. BlackBerry is in the technology sector and is in the software infrastructure industry and is out of Canada. We take a look at our weekly chart to determine our season, and right now we are above the clouds, so that means that it is summertime, and we do have plenty of sunshine today. On the daily chart, we're also above the cloud. We are below the red line and below the blue line. The clouds are getting thin, and they might pull us in. Price action is like a hot air balloon, with the buyers turning up, the heat making the balloon go up, and sellers turning down, the heat making the balloon go down. The blue line is our wind line, and the red line is our jet stream. We start off this chart coming in, sticking to the cloud, pretty much staying in the consolidation zone until November. We're on above average volume. We do jump up above both the blue line and the red line, the jet stream and the wind line, and then ride the wind line up a little bit before we gap down and go underneath the jet stream. Then we fall for just a little bit into the first of the year. We stabilize some, and then the bulls are able to get control of the hot air balloon, bring this above the wind line, and then we bounce off the top of the cloud several times as it provides support, and on above average volume, the hot air balloon, the market price, does rise above both the wind and the jet stream, going on a tear up. Beautiful bullish weather here. We even have a nice gap up, and then on a high of $28.77, we start coming back down. Unfortunately, the bears get control, take the hot air balloon, the market price under the wind line, under the jet stream, and then we come down and we've consolidated a little bit here in the last few days. We are on a little less than above average volume, so volume has fallen off, so we'll have to see how this plays out. Taking a look at the lagging green line, this is market action just plotted 26 periods in the past. It can have the same support and resistance zone as current market action, but it also can create an anchor on market action if it gets caught up inside of old market history. And right now, if market action continues to go up, we could see the lagging green line getting caught in old market action here, and that could give a stall to market action trying to continue up. Our forecast shows that we do have a very thin green cloud here, and it will be getting a little bit thicker if price action can continue to rise. This is your stock market weather report for BlackBerry Limited on February 5th, 2021. It is summertime. We have plenty of sunshine today, and current conditions could change with a slight dip in atmospheric pressure. We do have a low pressure zone right here with the cloud, and that could pull us down. I'm William Grantham, your stock market meteorologist with IchimokuWeather.com.